Most people get this wrong. They assume Star Spangled Cash is just a typical payday loan app. The surprising truth in 2026 is that it's a multifunctional financial tool, offering early wage access, installment payment options, and spending insights to help users manage money smarter. Here's how it works. Star Spangled Cash lets you access a portion of your earned wages before payday, often within hours. This is perfect for covering urgent bills, emergencies, or unexpected expenses. Additionally, the app allows certain purchases to be split into smaller payments, making monthly budgeting more manageable. The app is intuitive and user-friendly. You can track advances, view repayment schedules, and analyze spending patterns. Push notifications help prevent missed payments and fees, keeping your finances organized. The downside? Overuse can be costly. Frequent advances or missed payments can add up in fees, so it's best used as a short-term solution rather than a long-term financial plan. Tips for responsible use. 1. Only request advances or installment payments you can realistically repay. 2. Keep notifications active for repayment reminders. 3. Maintain a small emergency fund to reduce reliance on the app. Who benefits most? Users with steady income who occasionally need short-term cash or help managing larger purchases. Those with irregular income or poor repayment habits may find fees outweigh convenience. In conclusion, Star Spangled Cash in 2026 is a practical and flexible tool, but only if used responsibly. Track spending, plan repayments carefully, and treat it as a temporary aid. Subscribe for honest app reviews and money tips that help you stay in control.